Today we're going into how to find $100,000 products quickly and easily for free. Let's go. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Ricky Hayes, always bringing you value. For those who don't know me, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, crush it to go on the chance to win a 30-minute consulting call with myself, Ricky Hayes, announced in the next video. Today's winner is announced in the slides and will be announced at the end in the description and in the pinned comments. Additionally as well, guys, I wanted to announce there's a free cheat sheet with 10 additional winning products where I give you all the information, the ages, the demographics, who to target, why it's a winning product, all the links for it, the Facebook links, the AliExpress links, the store links, everything you need is in that sheet. It's 100% free. It's just a PDF. There's a link down below in the description. Get it now. It's yours. All you need to put in is your email address so that I can send it to your email and you're done. All right, so without further ado, let's get into how to find these $100,000 products for free. So the method is really easy. There's another Chrome extension called Turbo Ads. It's similar to one of my other ones, but it's a bit more cut down, but it works well. So there's the link there. So once you get the links for the slides, which is in the description as well, just go to that link and download it. It's free. So what you want to do is this is going to make sure your pixel is full of e-commerce ads because we mainly want e-commerce ads. If you're running a niche store, then I highly recommend that you try and find niche ones to click because you're going to get fed with those. If you're doing general, then it works all the same. It's just dependent on your situation. I'll show you how this all works, but you use words like 50% off, free shipping. Free delivery works well too. That's one that's I've found being working quite well recently. Get yours here now, buy now, don't miss out, a limited time offer. Those types of words, I'll show you how that works. Really important, you make sure you click on every ad, all right? So I click on every ad. You just want to feed the pixel. It takes you like 2 seconds. You want to make sure you click the call to action button. So whether it's, most of the time it's shop now, sometimes they use learn more. Sometimes learn more can do better. Generally though, it's shop now. So click the shop now call to action. It's going to put you in the engaged shoppers list in Facebook. So, okay, it's an interest that we can actually use as marketers and other people can use it so you can get more ads delivered to you. So never click the actual link. Okay, and don't click it in the comments either. Click the shop now call to action. It's always going to get you better quality ads in the future. Once you're on their site as well, make sure that you spend at least 30 seconds, preferably 30 seconds. By the time you go through all the steps, you will be 30 seconds because one of the custom audiences that people are starting to use a lot more, which works well, and I use it, is website time spent. Especially when you scale, people are using lookalikes and they're going to use 5, 10 and 25%. By being on there 30 seconds, you'll be at least in the 10%. You'll probably actually be in about the 5% as well. But you want a 30 seconds so that you're in the 10% because it's a high quality list. So again, you make sure you add to cart, add an item to cart. It doesn't really matter what item it is on their website. But I would recommend it's the item that you see because it's likely that they're going to do remarketing to you. So you're going to get more ideas there as well. You go to their checkout page, fill out your details, put in your name, email address, make another email address if you don't want all your spam to one. So what I do is I have a separate Facebook and a separate email address that I use, okay, so that all their remarketing emails go to that one, okay, so I can just have a look at it. You know, it doesn't go to my main email addresses. I just put that in there so I can get ideas from that as well. It's going to help with the SMS because why not? I like to get the SMSs on my phone. SMS, email, Facebook, Google Ads, whatever they're running, okay? Because you know people are starting to really try and diversify all their retargeting sources. So again, more importantly, this is going to make Facebook think that you're a hyper buyer or very close to being a hyper buyer. If you haven't already, I recommend having a look at my Facebook purchase hack. If you're interested in that, just ask below. I will provide a link. Repeat this process. Do it for about 15 minutes a day. All right, that's all you need. 15 minutes and you're going to be fine. So that's the entire process. let me show you how this is going to work for you step by step. All right, cool. So I'm in my secondary Facebook account and I've got Turbo Ad Finder, which is it here, and I've just turned it on. It's as simple as that. Turn the dial on and you're going to see the ads pretty much straight away. You can see that on this account, I've just clicked a ton of different ones. Like this is a cool item here if you're running a general store. A juicer. There we go. That looks pretty new. So what I do is, okay, this interests me. It's a viral item. It's around health. It's around summer. People love having juice. So again, easy summer item. Like it's a good video you can see as well. So I generally, so what I meant when, don't click these links. Okay, they're going to take you to the same page, but if you click this button, because it's embedded in Facebook, okay, is going to actually put you in a better list. So you click shop now. All right, and you're on their site. All right, so I'll show you the next part to that in a moment. But if we want to try, and if you don't have any Facebook that doesn't have any of that, then you just put in some keywords to start with and start clicking at. So let's put in free delivery. And we go videos. Generally, you want to go videos, and you're going to get a ton of them that you can choose from. So let's choose this one. This one's had a good amount of engagement. I'm going to just mute the volume. All right. Now with these, so you can still click the shop now. So we click shop now, and we're on their website. Once you're on their website, it's a pretty easy process from here. As I said, you want to spend about 30 seconds in total. So I like to always have a look at their landing page anyway, get ideas. You can see that they've gotten a good amount of sales based on the work they have put into their actual description. It's highly likely that they have been getting some good sales. So if we go add to cart, all right, we go checkout. All right. And at this point, I'm not going to do it now, pretty straightforward, but at this point, all you do is put in your personal details in here, continue to shopping, and there you go, you've initiated the checkout. The reason I know this, obviously, if you use the Pixel Helper, we are at the point where it has picked up the checkout, okay? So the fact that that has fired, okay, and that's their Pixel ID, okay? So this Pixel ID has picked up an initiate checkout, and it goes off by the current login of Facebook, which is my secondary account, Ricky Martin. Great name, by the way. Thank you. And so now it's just going to simply correlate that, all right, well, this Facebook account bound to this Pixel has gone all the way to checkout. They're very close to buying. So you're going to be putting the view content list. Sorry, just zoned out for a sec. View content list, add to cart, and now initiate checkout. So you're in all three lists. You're also now in the list of engaged shoppers. You're also now in the list of also website time spent. Okay, so you're pretty much, and also if you do watch more of this video, especially with remarketing, you're also in their video view remarketing. So if we watched, if I watched up to, this is only a 15-second video, but if I watched 95% of this video, I'm in every one of their video view remarketing lists. What this means is that for all forms of remarketing, but not just remarketing, also for cold traffic, new campaigns and that we're showing a lot of intent, okay, with these types of products, which are e-commerce related products. So now we're in a ton of custom audiences. We've told Facebook that we're the type of customer that's very interested in buying through their Facebook platform. So it's going to continue to feed us more and more and more. Additionally to this as well, if we go and we go to their page. Also, just quickly, I always recommend you not only just want to watch their videos, click their ads and stuff, just make sure you like their page. It automatically follows them. You're going to get a ton of other pages that you can then follow. Like you can see here, this baby travel carrier thing. Someone's made by the looks of a single product page around that. Tag Cure, My Pet's Brush. You're going to get you're going to tell the one, We Love Kids, Pass the Deal. You just want to choose ones that seem like they are. So, sorry, I missed one. Knee Fit. And Trendy 101, Gizmo Gadgets, Rich Products, so on and so forth. Dope deals. Oh gosh, my cold is making me sound horrible right now. Anyway, so but I always like when I do product research, admittedly, and you've come across that dope deals. Surely that's going to get flagged. I mean, come on, that seems a bit sketchy. Anyway, so what you do is you do that as well, because then you're also telling Facebook that you're very engaged in these types of pages that are also more e-commerce related pages, because a lot of them will have that they're shopping and retail or e-commerce or a website, okay? And so what you're also doing is you're also going to get a lot of organic posts as well for unsaturated new products they might post on their page to get more ideas. You just do that so you can get heaps and heaps of ideas. Just go through these and Facebook will just feed you these. So if we go to the home now, we're likely to see different products. Okay, that's clearly just a video ad one. So this, seen that one a million times already. So here we go, a back posture or neck posture item. That's for when you're in bed. There you go. All right, cool. And they've made a nice copy. Click the ad and repeat the process. All right, and we've now just found multiple winning products with like no effort at all, okay? And these are all just dropshipping, guaranteed. You can just tell straight away this is dropshipping. Add to cart, initiate checkout, so on and so forth. You can always see it down here as well, so do always just see how at times it takes a moment, so don't worry about that though. And just go check out, put in your details, and you're done. Repeat that process, okay? And you know, just leave the video open. This counts as me watching the video for a prolonged period of time. So I'll get to about here and then I'll stop or something and I'll be in the 95% list. And Facebook's like, well, this person, okay, but it's all. So I should also add, if you want your Facebook to be centered around items that are niche specific, make sure that you're clicking on items. Let's say that you are just jewelry, that are always jewelry, and you'll notice that your Facebook feed will just predominantly be jewelry. If you're doing general, then just click whatever. Okay, so really important. If you are niche, make sure you do that, because you're going to get more ads delivered to you that are more relevant to you, as opposed to just clicking anything. So that is just a little pro tip to keep in mind. As you can see here, just got tons. Like, look at that, a massive winning product. I don't know what this is. Okay, so some form of gel, whatever. There we go. Click, repeat the process. Done. All right, so that should pretty much teach you that exact process step by step. You should now know how to do it with the slides as well. It'll help you out there too. That concludes today's video on how you can quickly and easily find $100,000 winning products for free in 2019. If you did like today's video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, comment down below, crush it to go on the chance to win a 30-minute call with myself, and make sure that you share this with friends and family. And congratulations to today's winner, Geordie Harley, for winning the 30-minute call. Just contact me at ricky@rickyhayes.co for us to schedule our call. I've been loving doing the other calls during the week, so thank you to everyone who has entered. Also, comment down below what other videos you would like to see. Additionally as well, I have released my new free cheat sheet. It is in the description down below. It is a PDF containing over 10 winning products that have done 7 figures that you can use today. You get all the links. I spent a lot of time updating this and working on this for you. So make sure you get it down below. All you need to do is click the link. You can download it. It's a PDF. It's yours. There's nothing more to it. It's 100% yours. Okay, guys? So I hope you really do enjoy that. So I appreciate you watching today. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you take care, and goodbye.